Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Sources module where you set up your funds that you operate on. To get to the Sources module, just press the S key several times to get down to Sources. You also can use the drop downs to get there. Press the Enter key to open Sources. And in the Sources module, we list each individual fund, that'd be the total dollar amount of the fund. If it's local or state or whatever, classify it by the source type, and the account number for the source, any type of revenue source description, and the estimated amount at the beginning of the year, what you estimate the total fund dollars will be, and the estimate or the actual will be probably the same number as the estimated up through the first few months of the year. Once you get a little closer or further into the fiscal year, the actual may change from what the estimated was. Also, near the end of the fiscal year, when you're forecasting next fiscal year, you can go ahead and load this in next, so you'll be able to see both the current fiscal year estimate, the actual revenue for the fiscal year, and then the next year's forecasted. The calc percentages shows you what percentage when you're looking at any individual fund. This is like 0.56, approximately 0.5% of your total funds available for the year in this fund. Now, it also coordinates with the budget module. In the budget module, you set up your individual general ledger line items, which then go back to the spreading of the individual line items across each month in the year. That in turn works in conjunction with the fund accounting module. And we'll take a look here at the fund accounting module. In the fund accounting module, when you spend money to make purchases, it comes out of the funds that you previously set up, depending on what fund you select. And then you log in the units or dollars or Libra dollars if it's charged direct to a piece of equipment, and also charge it to what journal ledger line item that this particular purchase is charged to. So we'll take a quick look back at the Sources module and highlight it, click Enter. And whoops, we didn't get the Sources module. And the Sources module is where you log each fund in against and to develop your journal ledger spending on. So that pretty much covers the Sources and budgeting module, how it relates to the budgeting, and then on out to spending in the fund accounting module. If you have any questions, give us a call or email. Next week is the subdivisions module. We try to keep our webinars really short because everybody's busy, and as we break into each module, usually it can be summarized in a pretty short period of time. So until next week on subdivisions, give us a call or email if you have any questions. Wonderful.